TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, it's your boy Tony B, and I almost knocked my own hat off, y'all. Today is gonna be part 4 of the fiberglass dash repair. Man, I don't know if I should call it fiberglass dash. This thing looking like sparkly, wet like water, wet. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's right or not, man. Like I said before, I know it's kind of hard.
That's what she said.
So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and put the fiberglass mat on. I know Sprayway, he said, you know, you can hit it with 80 grit. It's a little too late, man. He said you don't have to, so you know your boy gonna opt not to. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, cause you know I'm lazy, y'all. I'm lazy.
You suck.
But I think it's gonna be okay, cause number one, I don't want it to be too smooth anyway. We're gonna actually put, you know, like a texture kind of paint on there. I don't want it too smooth, cause you know you have a smooth dash, you're gonna have all that light in your face, cuz. But yeah, what we gonna do, y'all? I'm gonna go ahead and get this fiberglass mat. I'm gonna break it up into pieces, mix some more resin up, and we're gonna get to placing it on here, man. We're gonna try to do, I think we're gonna try to do this top part right here first, because I don't have that much. I might need to go get some more, y'all. Ooh, I hate to break this thing open. If y'all ever work with fiberglass, that junk there is a headache, y'all. That junk there is a headache. But hey, y'all, look. We going live, y'all. We going live. Hey, I know I missed... Yuck. Ooh, man, I know I missed a day last week. I'm sorry, guys. Had a lot going on. But hey, we're going to keep this thing going, man. I told y'all I'm going to try my best Monday through Friday. From now on, y'all, I'm going to try my best and try to do a live stream on Saturdays. So, hey, let's get into it, Law. Y'all. Let's go. Let's get this thing rolled. Ha.
When I seen him throw that ball.
Uh-oh, y'all, I done put enough.
Oh my God.
Dang, I done lay enough down.
Oh my God.
To keep it laid. No! No! Look at this, y'all. Dang it, man. No! Epic fail. Like always in TNT fashion, we have a dilemma. As I was trying to put down the actual fiberglass mat, y'all, as y'all can see, I mean, this part right here laid down pretty decent. But as I was trying to dab it, the actual fiberglass mat was coming up. And like I was thinking before, this don't look like the right material that I was supposed to get. I was supposed to get fleece, but I got felt. I think that's what this is. I got the wrong material. So I think I might have to rip this up, y'all. Oh my goodness, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. But what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna just hit it with this 80 grit. See if it give it a little bit more, you know, they're probably gonna be even worse, because you think about it, this is rough. And if I sand it down, it's probably gonna be want to come up even more, y'all. Man, I don't know what I need to do, man. Oh boy, spray away, I need your help. I might have to pay you, man, because I ain't about this life, y'all. Lord have mercy.
A few inches later.
Not even funny anymore.
Woo, man. Boy. As y'all can see, I got the wrong fabric, y'all. I got the wrong fabric.
I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying.
The wrong fabric. Hey, but I know, I'm so glad. I know in my heart that I'm glad that this happened, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to go through things to learn. And as y'all can see, man, that junk wouldn't even stick on there for nothing. It's crazy, because I would think it would stick, because it's like some real tough, like Velcro type of stuff. But I can tell it was not soaking it up right. All it was really doing was like stand on the top. It needs to soak into the actual fabric. But hey, like they say, hey, when life give you lemons, make lemonade.
Get some help.
Yeah, but what I'm gonna probably have to end up doing, I'm gonna probably take this off, because I tried my best, man. I dumped resin on there and it still wouldn't stick on there. And I'm thinking that this is, you know, pretty much what is gonna happen even if I try to do anything else. And when I tried to sand it,
What more do you want from me?
we're gonna pull this off. We're gonna get the right fabric. We're gonna get it the way we're supposed to get it done. Hey, I'm gonna keep doing this till I get it right. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I like to put my shortcomings on video just to give you guys motivation to know, hey, everything don't go right, man. Sometimes you gotta just suck it up, do what you gotta do, and keep moving, man. Keep doing it. Keep grinding, man. We're gonna make it happen, man. Even if I have to go and take this thing to Alabama and let Sprayway do it, man. Hey, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I'm in Georgia, you know what I'm saying? I can hit you up, Sprayway. We can do the thing, but you know, I'm gonna try my best to do it by myself, man. You know, I'm that type of person. You know what I'm saying? I'm an ex-athlete, man. I ain't gonna let this thing kick my butt. We're gonna get this thing rolling, man. Even that little spot there. Remember in the last video? I thought this was gonna be my headache. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we're gonna get this thing right. I promise you, man. We're gonna get it right.
Psych!
All right, guys. Hey, one good thing is right here, I saw that the actual fabric wasn't sticking like I needed to. So in the future, this might have came up. Hey, and that's a blessing, y'all. That's a blessing in disguise. As y'all can see, I got it off. I took it off, man. I wasn't gonna play with it, man. I ain't got no time to be wasting, you know, trying to make something work that is not gonna work, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go get some more fabric, and then we're gonna throw it back on this thing. Y'all be patient with your boy. Stay tuned. Stay right there. Hold on, whoa, where you going? If you gonna go, make sure you hit that dislike button, man. You gotta do something. You can't just leave now. Hey, I found some fabric that I can use for the dashboard. Hey. Yes, right there. Right there. Okay, come. I got it, y'all. I got it. Oh man. Oh man, what's happening, TNT gang? Hey, ain't nothing but a G thing. Well, I need to shut up. But hey, I found this this blanket right here that I'm gonna use on here. You know what I'm saying? It's fleece. It may not be the color we want, but who cares? You know what I'm saying? The color don't matter. We're gonna paint this thing over. We're gonna put that bed line on there like spray weight. We're gonna get this thing rolling now. We ain't gonna give up. If y'all seen that live stream, you saw your boy struggling, man. I was mad. I was hurt, man. I was hurt and mad, but we're gonna redeem ourselves, y'all. Let's go. Let's get this thing rolling. Bro, to be honest, man, this fleece is so much easier to manipulate. Perfect. To manipulate and to lay down. Bro, this is so much easier. As y'all see, I didn't have to even cut a little piece right here. What I end up doing, I stapled all along this line right here so it wouldn't lift up. But hopefully what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix some resin up. I'm gonna put it in a small spot because I'm almost out of resin. I didn't use it up on that other piece of dash. Not piece of dash, but piece of fabric. But I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna see what it does, see how it lay down, see how, you know, it dry up. Hopefully it does better than the last stuff. Boy, because that last stuff, it was drying up, you know, all kinds of, I don't know, it was just like dried up wet spots. Not wet, I don't know how to explain it. Y'all seen it, but hopefully this works better, man. I believe it will, man. Hey, y'all go down in the comment section, pray for your boy. Pray one time for your boy. I need it. I need it. Woo. All right, let's finish it up, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, I didn't get much done. This is almost like a repeat video. But as y'all seen, I had to redo all the fabric, and I want to get you guys out a video today. It's already Monday, and yeah, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Yeah, we're gonna leave it at that, y'all. I'm gonna probably go to the store and get some more resin so I can go ahead and put it on the actual fabric. And the fabric actually looks like it's kind of too plush, but with this small amount of resin I put on here just to test it, it's way different. It's actually, you know, pretty hard compared to the other stuff, and it's looking like it's laying down pretty smooth. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, y'all. Like I said, man, this channel isn't a how-to channel. It's just pretty much, you know, documenting my daily struggles, my daily successes while I'm working on cars with my son, man. Hey, and if y'all like that, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't
Come on, man.
Also, don't forget to subscribe, and when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell and hit all so you can make sure you get all the video notifications. Hey guys, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being patient, man. Most of y'all you know, just really trying to encourage your boy, because y'all seen on that live stream. If you ain't seen it, that last video, I was discouraged, man. I was hurt. But hey, we're gonna get this thing done. But all right, guys, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
When I seen him throw that ball,